Hello students, today we have to discuss about the phylum of Mollusca. You know what was meant of mollusk? Soft-bodied. What is it? Soft-bodied animals are called mollusk, right? Due to the presence of soft body in that, right? It was called as mollusk. Next one, what is the phylum? Next phylum, Echinodermata. Echino means what? Spine. What is it? Spine. Means the spiny-bodied animals are called Echinodermata. Like that? Soft-bodied animals are called what? Mollusca. Please write first point. Soft-bodied animals. Soft-bodied. Animals are mollusks. Right? The first largest phylum or second largest phylum? Second largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia. Very good. With more number of species after Arthropod, right? So the fact is about second largest phylum in the kingdom Animalia, right? Right? These are the different animals of phylum Mollusca. You can find it here for soft body. Right or wrong? All of you. Have you ever touched it? Have you ever touched a snail? Right? How does it look like? Soft. How does it look like? Soft. Hence it is called as a soft bodied animals called what? Mollusca. Very good, right? So if you can discuss about what is the habitat, what is the habitat? Definitely all are free living and definitely aquatic and terrestrial. In aquatic, both freshwater and marine water. Please write it. Habit and habitat. Right? Definitely all are free living or some are sustainable. Definitely all are free living animals. Very good. And next one. Aquatic or terrestrial or both? Both aquatic and terrestrial animals, right? So in this aquatic, both what? Freshwater animals, and next one, marine water animals, both freshwater and marine water animals are there. Very good. Right. Next one, if you can discuss about levels of organization. What is the level of organization? Definitely organ system level. Next one, what kind of germination do you have? Triploblastic, right? Organ system level, triploblastic or segmented or unsegmented animal? Unsegmented animal. What is it? Unsegmented. What animal is there? Neopilina galatea is one kind of animal is there. They have internal segmentation, but it was not considered. It was not considered because of most of them are almost except that animals, right? Almost all the animals of the phylum Mollusca are unsegmented, right? So that is as per NCERT. So Annelida and arthropods are the segmented animal, but the mollusca is what? Unsegmented, right? Mean organ system level, triploblastic, unsegmented. And next one, if you can discuss about the symmetry. What kind of symmetry? Bilateral symmetry. And next one, what kind of coelom it is? Definitely coelomate. Means eucoelom. Correct? Right. Please write it. Right. First one. What is the level of organization? Organ system level of organization. Organ system level of organization. Very good. Next one. What kind of germination do you have? Either diploblastic or triploblastic. Definitely three germinates. Very good. Triploblastic animal. Triploblastic animal. That was good. And next one remaining. Segmented or unsegmented? Unsegmented. Unsegmented animals. Very good. And next one. What kind of symmetry is? Bilateral symmetry. And next one, last one. What kind of coelom takes place? Eucoelom, also called as true coelom. Means it's also said to be coelomate. And the coelom that should be eucoelom. Correct? Right? True body cavity animals, right? It's got interaction. And next one, if you can discuss more about mollusca, right? So are they have shell or the shellless? Both shelled and absence of shell animals are there. It's not based on the presence of shell or absence of shell. It is by the presence of what? Soft body. It's presence of soft body. That is good, right? And next one, like what kind of the body division do they have? Head, muscular foot, and visceral hump is the body division of mollusca. Please write it, all of you. Body division. Body is divided into 3 divisions. Right. First one. What are those? The first one. Head. Muscular foot or non-muscular foot? Muscular foot and visceral hump. That's it. Okay. What are the body division? Tell me all of you. First one, head, muscular foot, and visceral hump. Right. Next one, if you can discuss about systems, digestion, right? And complete gut, very good. Both mouth and anus. And next one here, they have a special organ called what? Radula. What is it? Radula. A file-like rasping organ which helps in collection of food. Right? Please write it. Digestion. Complete gut animals, right? And next one, they have the special one in this, that is about radula. Radula is a file-like organ. What is it? A file-like rasping organ which helps in collection of food in mollusks, right? Please write it as concept you already discussed. A file-like rasping organ helps in collection of food. Very good, right? I'm going to draw the diagram of radula. Draw the diagram of radula. This is what the diagram of what? Which helps in collection of food. With the help of this only, they can collect the food. Got it? This is what. Very good. So this is what radula. And next one, after digestion, we have discussed about what? Respiration, right? There is no priority for circulation, right? So definitely after digestion, respiration, right? Excretion, nervous, and reproduction, right? Shall we discuss remaining? All of you? Good. Next one, after digestion, we have to discuss about what? Respiration. And here we have to discuss about respiration as well as and excretion. Please write it. Both are done by the single organ. Here. Respiration and excretion done through a feather-like gills. A feather-like gills that helps in not only respiration, it's also help in what? Excretion. Got it? Please. Feather-like gills. Feather-like gills helps in both what? Respiration and excretion. That's it. Over. Right? Feather-like gills are helps in. Actually, gills helps in respiration. But here, gills also help for what? Excretion. Got it? Very good. So after digestion, respiration, excretion, next one we have to say about nervous system. Nervous system. What it can expect? Definitely cerebral ganglia. What is it? Cerebral ganglia is the nervous system of what? Mollusca. Please write it. Nothing but brain, right? Nothing but brain. Very good, right? Definitely. And next one, if we can discuss about more, what about sensory organs? Right? Definitely, eyes are there. Right? Eyes. Next one, tentacles. What is it? Tentacles also helps in sensory part, right? Very good. Right? And the special one, that is what? Australium. What is it? Australium. You know what was meant of Australium, which helps in, right? Which helps in detection of purity of the water. What is the function of it? Detection of purity of the water, right? So water purity will be tested, right? Then only that can be entered into the water. Without testing of the purity of water, which will not enter, right? Make definitely chemoreceptors, right? That's it. So please write it. Australium helps in detection of purity of the water. Got it, all of you? Very good. This is what about nervous system of mollusca, right? And after nervous system, the last one what? Reproduction. Please write it. Sexes are separate or not? Definitely sexes are separate, but sexual dimorphism is not distinct. Meant we can't find out which is male, which is female in the given two animals. Right? If somebody is there giving about two animals of mollusca, male and male, right? It is unable to find out. For example, in the case of arthropoda, right? Definitely we can identify like even cockroach. I don't know, right? So how the cockroach is there, right? Easily we can understand. But here it is unable to. It is unable to identify, right? Hence it is called as even the sexes are separate. Sexual dimorphism is not distinct. Please write it. So as usual, sexes are separate. Sexes are Separate, very good. Right? So what do we call for sex are separate? Dioecious or monoecious? Dioecious. Bisexual or unisexual? Unisexual. Hermaphrodites are gonochoric. Gonochoric, right? Please write it. So first one, dioecious. We have to call them as right. And next one, unisexual or bisexual? Definitely, it's about unisexual organisms, right? At last one, gonochoric. Not a hermaphrodite. Got it? Right. Next one. Then what about reproduction takes place through either asexual or sexual or both? Only sexual reproduction. That was good. Then what about fertilization? As it is aquatic animal, fertilization is external. Very good. Development which will include indirect. Got it? Means larval stage. Got it? Please write it. Fertilization is external. Development is indirect or direct? Indirect. Next one, title, mantle cavity. Mantle cavity. What is mantle cavity? You know what? The space between wetherill hump and mantle is called as what? Mantle cavity. That mantle which secretes shell of the body. Have you ever seen shell of the mollusk? All of you have seen, right or wrong? Right? Definitely. All of you have seen shell of mollusk, right? So that was definitely made up of the part of what? Mantle. What is it? Mantle, right? Please write it. Mantle cavity means the space between wetherill hump and mantle is called as what? Mantle cavity. Very good, right? And you know what the function of mantle? Mantle secrete what? Shell. Please write it. A calcium component called what? Shell. Mantle secrete, next point. Mantle secrete what? Shell. I'm going to show you how it is. You know what? This is what? Mantle cavity. What is? Mantle cavity. And you know, here is what even digest system. Okay, when here the presence of gonads. Got it? This is what? This is what wetherill hump. What is it? Wetherill hump. Have you ever seen camel hump? Camel hump, right? Even in the case of like somebody's we can see here hump, right? So that is what hump, right? So exactly. So here this mantle is the mantle, right? This is the mantle, right? Mantle which secrete what? Tell all of you, shell, right? So that is what the function of mantle, formation of shell, right? And next one, I'm going to draw the shell. Which animal it is? Exactly. Tila or Phyla globosa, freshwater snail and apple snail. What is it? Apple snail. Got it, all of you? Right? This is what shell, right? And this is what like is a muscular part of the food, right? And what I'm showing here actually is the body, but next body also should be here, but it was torn like this. Got it? All of you, right? It was torn like, right? You know why it is torn? With 180 degrees, right? Right or wrong? Right? It's the body. It's torn like this. Not entire turn, right or wrong? This total turn is about 360 degrees, right or wrong? Got it? So 180 degrees it was turned. You know why? Because of during the development of the larval stage, right? You know, larva definitely transform into adult, right or wrong? By the process called what? Metamorphosis, right? So during the process, during the development in the larva, right? Some of the visceral mass here, whatever, right? So some of the visceral mass turn like 180 degree, and that kind of phenomenon is called as a torsion. Torsion with 90 degree or 180 degree? 180 degree. All of you. That's it. This is what happened. Got it? So this one, like diagram of like Phylum globosa, and it's about the general structure of snail. Got it? Next one. Examples we have to write. What are the examples of this? So many examples we have, right? So the first one, please write it. Phylum globosa or Phylum means freshwater snail, also known as what? Apple snail. Please, everybody has to note it because of even in the last Neet examination, they have asked about what? Even common names also. Epilesia, see here, right? Correct? Next one. Shall we read about Epilesia? Epilesia means what? Yes. Here means the rabbit. In Telugu, Samudrap Kundelu. Right? The next one. Octopus means devilfish, right? Next one. Loligo means what? Squid. Very good. Squid. Right? Cephia, the fish called, is a fish? No. It's a cuttlefish. Cephia means what? Cephia means what? Cuttlefish. And the next one, the last one for today, Pinktada. Pearl oysters. Have you seen bivalves? Bivalve animals. Have you seen? All of you. This is what bivalve. Two walls are there, right? While you are seeing in that, like definitely it will open and there is a presence of what? Exactly. Pearls. Got it? This is what? Bivalves. Got it? Here we can find out. All of you got it? Right? This is what? Pinktada pearl oysters. You know how it is formed? How it is formed? Right? As we have seen just now, like bivalve animals, right? In this, just imagine there is any damage is happened to that tissue, or any kind of like infection or even damage of the tissue, right? The damaged tissue should be replaced, right or wrong? Right? So even like if any foreign particles attack on the body of or tissue of mollusk, right? So they have to fight against them, right or wrong? As our immune system respond, right? So they have also have a like special kinds of components, right? For example, a bacteria or something which is have attack on the mollusk, right? They can secrete some kind of special secretions along with the calcium carbonate, right? So that is together, like just imagine here is the animal, right? It's about here damaged part. Here about damaged part, right? All of you, right? So here, what are the secretions are there? What are the secretions are there here, right? So the secretions comes around it, right? And there is chance to formation of one of the component. That is what pearl for us. Actually, it is one of the chemical component which is fight against them. Right or wrong? Say sir, all of you. Yes. They are protecting themselves, right? So those secretions are for us nothing but what? Well, right? Some of them they have 2 or 1, some of them they have like 10 or 20 based on the what? Infections, based on the damaged tissue, right? How many times it was damaged or how many times it was infected? That much of the presence of pearls are there, right? That's it. Got it? So this is what information of like pearl formation in mollusk and the 2 bivalve animals. So what is it? Bivalve animals. Got it? Is what? And next one. Next phylum we have to discuss about what? Please. Phylum Epilesia. Phylum Epilesia. What does it mean by Epilesia, students? Definitely, spiny bodied animals are called what? Echidoderms. Please write it. Spiny bodied animals. Very good. Because of economy, the spine, you know spines? Right? That's it. And next one. What about the level of cognition and habits? First one, habit. Definitely aquatic there, no more aquatic. What? No more terrestrial, right? If we can discuss about habit and habitat, what? Aquatic, no more terrestrial. Most of them, right? Definitely. So all are aquatic with there is no freshwater animals. All are marine. Please write it. Aquatic marine, first one. All are free living. All are free living, right? And definitely, what about aquatic marine or aquatic both freshwater and marine? Right. Main exclusively marine, right? Very good. Next one. What is the level of cognition? Organ system level. What is the germline? Typology. What is the symmetry? Radial symmetry. Adults are radial symmetrical and larvae are bilateral symmetrical. Very good. And next one, the last one, coelom. What kind of coelom is? Coelom means the sort of like exactly. Coelom means what? Coelomate means the 2 body cavity animals and the 2 segmented and unsegmented animals. Unsegmented. And the 2 in that coelomate, it belongs to enterocoelomate, means the body cavity is formed from gut. Very good. You got it? First one, the level of organization is about organ system level of organization. Very good. What kind of germline do you have? Definitely it's about criploblastic animal. Right? And what kind of symmetry do you have? Definitely, it's very important to note, all of you. Adults are radial symmetrical. Very good. Then what about remaining? Larvae are bilateral symmetrical animal. Very good. Very good, friends. And next one, after this, we have discussed about even what kind of coelom it is. Definitely, it's about eucoelomate. Meet 2 body cavity animals, also said to be coelomate, right? And the first animal with the first animal with what? Deuterostome. Deutero means secondary, stome means mouth, right? In which blastopore develops into anus. Means first anus, next mouth, and it is called as what? deuterostome. The first deuterostomes are nothing but the first deuterostomes are echinoderms or echinodermata. That's it. Oh, it's about introduction part. Next one, we want to discuss more about what about special. What is the special is there here? Water vascular system is the unique characteristic features of what? Echinodermata. Please write. Water vascular system. Title studying. Water vascular system, right, is a unique characteristic features of echinoderms. Please write it. Unique characteristic feature. A unique characteristic feature. Got it? Very good. Next one, what is the function of that? Which I have seen the first one, locomotion, collection of food, right? And next one, even respiration, right? And next one, in general source, excretion also. Respiration, excretion, collection of food, and next one what? Locomotion. This all takes place by what? But as well said, the excretory system is absent. Means they can excrete through what? Body surface. Correct? Please write it. Helps in tell me the first one. Water vascular system, right? Helps in locomotion. Next one, gathering of food means what? Also called as the collection of food. Very good. And next one, in addition, for respiration, dermal branchiae and papillae are there. Correct? Next one, in general source, it starts as well excretion, but as Ben said, they are not giving NCRT, right? So, as Ben said, they are not giving what? Excretion. Got it? So, we should not mention here, right? Next one, almost is what water vascular system. Now, I'm going to draw it. How it is look like? Those are nothing but 2 feet. What is it? 2 feet. This was a diagram of. This is what? Madreporite. What is it? What is it? Madreporite is what? 2 feet. Is what? Radial canal. What is it? Radial canal. And is a structure of water vascular system, like which helps in madreporite, which helps in filter the water, because of water enter into water vascular system through what? What is it? Madreporite. Correct? And while water enter into here, definitely will filter. Very good, that was right. This is what the structure, which helps in its function. Tell me what are those? What is the function of water vascular system? Locomotion. And next one, collection of food. And next one, respiration. Got it? Got it? Right. I will show you how it is. Have you seen this? This one. I got it, right? This is what these are, right? Hair sections, right? Those are the thing, but water vascular system. You can see here locomotion. Holding to pay. Mean nothing but collection of food. Got it? Right? That is what the function of locomotion, right? And next one, what? Please write it, excretion. Excretory system is absent, right? But excrete through what? Body surface. Over. Next one. After digestion, respiration, circulation, excretion. Next one what? Last second. Nervous system. It's the presence of nerve ring. Nerve system is what? Now a ring. Almost circumoral like mean at the location of that, but it's about the ring-like structure. Got it? There is no brain. There is no brain. Got it? Very good. And next one, after nervous system, we have to write up what? Sensory. Right? Definitely what we discussed about here. Water vascular system. Right? Next one. Next one. What about like digestion? Digestion takes place through what? Complete gut. Very good, right? Then remaining, you have to know one thing. For at the location of at the time of digestion, we have to know about mouth is and anus. Mouth and anus arranged as a oroaboral axis. You know, just imagine it's about starfish, right? Ventral is the mouth and dorsal is what? Anus, right? So that is called as a oroaboral axis. Right? Please write it. Digestion. A complete gut, but it's arranged as oroaboral axis. Means mouth is dorsal or ventral? Mouth ventral. Anus is dorsal. Very good. And next one, last one, what? Reproduction. Tell me all of you, reproduction, sexes separate or not? Definitely, sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. Very good. And next one. So we have to call them as a dioecious, right? Unisexual. Right. Next one, definitely sexual reproduction, and the federation takes place through what? As it is aquatic animal, what? Tell me. External federation, definitely development. Is what? Indirect. And which include what? Larval stage. Good. Then tell me about examples. First one. Australium into what? Right? Next one. Echinus. Right? Next one. Ophura. Means what? What is it? Brittle star, Ophura. Right? Next, what are the examples remaining? So many. Antelope means what? No. That was wrong actually. And I mean the feather star. Feather. Feather star. That was wrong. In the answer they are giving silly. That was wrong. Right? And you know, antelope means Mediterranean. Mediterranean feather star. Right? Next one, like even we have discussed. Cucumeria means Polothuria, it means, correct? And next one, right? This is what? These are the best examples for what? Phylum Echinodermata, spiny bodied animals, right? At last one, I would like to inform you that, you know, some of the spines, because of spiny bodied animals, right? Some of the spines, right? Some of the spines are modified into Pedicellariae, which have seen almost cleaning of the body. Some of the spines, not all. Some of the spines are modified into what? Pedicellariae, which have seen cleaning of the body. Got it? This is what today topics such as mollusk and echinodermate. Remaining topic we will discuss on tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you very much.